close my eyes, that's when you're near. I can't see you, but I know that I'm dreaming. Girl, it's not fair, and I can't help but cry every night when I wake and you're not by my side. Girl, I just wanna hold you in my arms. I think of you each day, now we're apart, and I just want...
Happy birthday. So make a wish. Please accept my apologies. Wonder what would have been. Would you have been a little angel or an angel of sin? Tomboy running round, hanging with all the guys, or a little tough boy with beautiful brown eyes? I paid for the murder before they determined the sex. Choosing our life over your life meant your death, and you never got a chance to even open your eyes. Sometimes I wonder, as a fetus, if you fought for your life, would you have been a little genius in love with math? Would you have played in your school clothes and made me mad? Would you have been a little rapper like your Papa the Piper? Would you have made me quit smoking by finding one of my lighters? I wonder about your skin tone and shape of your nose, and the way you would have laughed and talked fast or slow. Think about it every year, so I picked up a pen. Happy birthday, love you whoever you would have been. Happy birthday.